Hey there, welcome back to Finance Zoom channel. Today's video promises to be an extraordinary journey as you explore the captivating world of entrepreneurship. In this captivating episode, you have the privilege of delving deep into the minds of two remarkable individuals who have left an indelible mark on the entrepreneurial landscape, the visionary Guy Kawasaki and the insightful Robert Kiyosaki.
Because you are the ray of sunshine, and I'm Darth Vader.
What?
So,
why are you so negative?
I'm not negative because you have to, as Fuller says, you have to have both. You see the dark side because when you see the dark, you see the light. So I saw this coming.
These two extraordinary entrepreneurs have achieved remarkable success and have been dedicated to sharing their invaluable wisdom and experiences with aspiring business leaders like you. Their books, talks, and mentorship have inspired countless individuals to dare to dream, take risks, and create something extraordinary. So, stay tuned as you dive deep into entrepreneurship and learn from these remarkable individuals. You'll get inspired and empowered to make your entrepreneurial dreams a reality. First up, I'll talk about Guy Kawasaki. Some of you may know him as the survivor of not one but two stints working with the legendary Steve Jobs at Apple during its early days. Impressive, right? Guy is a witness to tech history and a serial entrepreneur with a remarkable track record. He's been passionately helping and educating entrepreneurs all over the globe. So if you're aspiring to start your own business, Guy Kawasaki's wisdom is something you don't want to miss. Next, the legendary Robert Kiyosaki. He's behind the Rich Dad brand and the author of the famous book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. With his powerful insights on financial education and wealth-building strategies, Robert has influenced countless individuals to rethink their approach to money and investing. His journey from being a Navy pilot to a successful entrepreneur and investor is incredibly inspiring. Together, Guy Kawasaki and Robert Kiyosaki form a powerhouse of knowledge and experience in the entrepreneurial realm. Whether you're dreaming of quitting your job, have already started your venture, or simply want to become a better entrepreneur, this video promises to offer valuable nuggets of wisdom from two of the greatest minds in the business. Now let's discuss the steps to be an entrepreneur Guy Kawasaki and Robert Kiyosaki offered.
For those of you who have not yet found this thing in your life which you would define as your passion, don't sweat it. As you go through life and you find things that are interesting, scratch the itch, and one day you will discover a passion.
Guy Kawasaki emphasizes that individuals shouldn't worry too much if they haven't found their business passion. Instead, they should adopt an open-minded and proactive approach to life. The first step to becoming an entrepreneur is to discover your passion in the business world. Step 1. Self-assessment and passion discovery. Guy Kawasaki and Robert Kiyosaki emphasize the importance of self-assessment before venturing into entrepreneurship. As Guy Kawasaki wisely puts it, before you become an entrepreneur, you should honestly assess yourself. Are you passionate about your business idea? Are you willing to put in the hard work and dedication it takes to succeed? Similarly, Robert Kiyosaki stresses the significance of passion, stating, "Passion is what drives entrepreneurs to overcome challenges and persist in their pursuits. Discover what truly excites you, as it will be the fuel that propels you forward during tough times." Taking the time to introspect and identify your passions, strengths, and areas of expertise is a key takeaway from these visionary entrepreneurs. As Guy Kawasaki and Robert Kiyosaki advocate, finding a niche or business idea that aligns with your interests will keep you motivated and increase your chances of success in the ever-evolving entrepreneurial journey. Remember, self-awareness and passion form the foundation for your entrepreneurial endeavors, setting the stage for growth and fulfillment.
You can influence and persuade and woo people by building likability and trust and a reputation for competence and quality. And if you get those three things, then you'll be able to influence people's decision making.
Guy Kawasaki's statement emphasizes the power of likability, trust, and a reputation for competence and quality in influencing and ruling over people. I agree wholeheartedly with this sentiment. These three attributes are fundamental to effectively sway others' decisions. When we are likable, people are more inclined to listen to us and be open to our ideas. Trust is the foundation of any relationship, and when others trust us, they are more likely to follow our lead. Additionally, a reputation for competence and quality instills confidence in others, making them more receptive to our guidance and suggestions. Guy Kawasaki's insight serves as a valuable reminder that actual influence is not about coercion, but about earning the respect and admiration of others. To build likability, trust, and a reputation for competence and quality, let's explore Step 2. Step 2. Develop a clear vision and mission. Crafting a clear and inspiring vision is essential to guiding your entrepreneurial journey. Guy Kawasaki emphasizes that a powerful vision should feel like a higher calling that ignites your passion and motivates you even during challenging times. As he said, your vision should be so compelling that it feels like a calling, a higher purpose that drives you forward. On the other hand, Robert Kiyosaki highlights the importance of a mission statement that goes beyond financial gains, focusing on the positive impact your business aims to make on society. Robert Kiyosaki stated, "Create a mission statement that goes beyond profits, one that reflects the positive impact you want to make in the world." Combined, these elements guide you toward making strategic decisions that align with your company's long-term goals and core values. A well-defined vision and mission provide the direction and purpose needed to create a meaningful and successful entrepreneurial venture. Step 3. Conduct thorough market research. Understanding the target market and industry dynamics is paramount to setting the stage for entrepreneurial success. Guy Kawasaki wisely said, "The more specific knowledge you have about your customers, the better you can refine your product or service to meet their needs and desires." Aligning with this sentiment, Robert Kiyosaki advised, identify the gaps in the market by conducting comprehensive research on your potential customers and the competition. This knowledge will enable you to create a product or service that fulfills a genuine demand and sets you apart in the market. By diligently following their advice, aspiring entrepreneurs can gain the insights needed to craft a compelling offering that resonates with their audience and drives sustainable growth.
To learn how to sell. Because entrepreneurs have to learn how to sell.
Step 4. Create a solid business plan. A well-structured business plan is paramount for aspiring entrepreneurs, as it serves as a roadmap to attract investors, secure funding, and steer the business toward success. Both Guy Kawasaki and Robert Kiyosaki stressed the significance of outlining essential elements within the plan, such as the organizational structure, marketing strategies, financial projections, and operational procedures. Being realistic about your goals and timelines is vital, and both experts advocate for the ability to adapt the plan when confronted with changing circumstances. A robust business plan not only sets the course for the venture, but also demonstrates professionalism and dedication to potential stakeholders, instilling confidence in the business's potential for growth and profitability. Step 5. Build a strong support network. When it comes to the path of entrepreneurship, having a reliable support network can make all the difference. In this step, we explore the wise counsel of two remarkable entrepreneurs, Guy Kawasaki and Robert Kiyosaki, who offer invaluable advice on building a strong support system. Guy Kawasaki encourages aspiring entrepreneurs to surround themselves with individuals who can offer guidance and wisdom, stating, "Surround yourself with people who are smarter than you and willing to give you advice." Likewise, Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes the power of networking, stating, "The richest people in the world look for and build networks. Everyone else looks for work." Building a strong support network is essential to navigating the challenges of entrepreneurship, gaining valuable insights, and increasing the likelihood of success. Step 6. Secure adequate funding. This step explores the significance of a specific aspect of the entrepreneurial journey, which Guy Kawasaki and Robert Kiyosaki acknowledge. Kawasaki advises entrepreneurs to explore diverse funding sources, such as personal savings, loans, angel investors, venture capital, or crowdfunding. He highlights the importance of carefully evaluating each option's advantages and disadvantages, selecting the most suitable one that aligns with the business's specific needs and long-term goals. Similarly, Kiyosaki stresses the significance of financial intelligence and understanding money to make informed funding decisions, ensuring the business has the necessary resources to thrive and flourish. Following their advice, aspiring entrepreneurs can lay a strong financial foundation for their ventures. Step 7. Focus on marketing and branding. Guy Kawasaki stresses marketing's essence in attracting customers and establishing a brand presence. His advice involves crafting a comprehensive strategy using online and offline channels like social media, content marketing, and public relations. Building a strong brand identity that reflects core values is crucial to resonating deeply with the target audience. Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes branding's significance in creating a lasting customer impression. Understanding the brand's essence is vital to fostering trust and loyalty. Both entrepreneurs underline the inseparable link between marketing and branding, which is essential for success. By implementing these insights, entrepreneurs can forge a robust market presence, connect genuinely with customers, and pave the way for long-term growth and triumph. Step 8. Embrace innovation and adaptability. Adaptability and innovation are key to staying competitive in the rapidly evolving business landscape. Keep an eye on industry trends, customer feedback, and emerging technologies. Being open to necessary changes, pivoting when required, and constantly improving products, services, or business models are highly encouraged by these two entrepreneurs. Their advice highlights the significance of staying relevant and successful in an ever-evolving market. By heeding their wisdom, entrepreneurs can effectively navigate the dynamic business environment, ensuring long-term growth and prosperity for their ventures. Step 9. Prioritize customer satisfaction. Both Kawasaki and Kiyosaki stress the significance of excellent customer service. Guy Kawasaki advises, make your product easier to buy than your competition's, and you'll find customers. He believes that exceptional customer experiences lead to brand loyalty and word-of-mouth referrals. Similarly, Robert Kiyosaki advocates for understanding customer needs, stating, the richest people in the world look for and build networks. Everyone else looks for work. Building strong relationships and promptly addressing customer needs is crucial to nurturing a loyal customer base. By prioritizing customer satisfaction, entrepreneurs can create a thriving business driven by happy customers and sustainable growth. Step 10. Stay committed and persevere. Becoming a successful entrepreneur takes time and effort. Stay committed to your vision, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. Guy Kawasaki wisely advises, stay committed to your vision, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. The entrepreneurial journey is filled with obstacles and uncertainties, but unwavering dedication to your goals will keep you on track.
Failure should inspire you to get smarter. And unfortunately, our school system says if you fail, you're stupid. That is not true. You know, we learn from our mistakes. Mistakes are opportunities to get smarter, be humble, and take a look at something.
Robert Kiyosaki echoes this sentiment by emphasizing the importance of learning from failures. Use them as opportunities for growth. He encourages, every setback can be a valuable lesson that propels you forward with newfound knowledge and resilience. Stay persistent and work hard, knowing that dedication and perseverance are often the keys to entrepreneurial success. As I conclude this insightful journey into entrepreneurship with the wisdom of two extraordinary visionaries, Guy Kawasaki and Robert Kiyosaki, I hope you have found inspiration and valuable guidance to embark on your entrepreneurial path. Their shared advice has illuminated the key steps necessary to succeed in the dynamic business landscape. What do you think about this topic? Let me know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Finance Soon channel. I'll see you in the next video.